Hi everybody, welcome to 6th grade. I am Bill Singer and I am going to teach math and science this year. This is my dog Rika. She's very nice and affectionate and likes attention. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. Sit. I have been teaching for 22 years. Some of the things that I really enjoy doing are disc golf. That's where you have a disc like a frisbee and throw it at a basket. Here's an example. I also enjoy mountain biking. And I really enjoy playing guitar, and I try to do it every day. Of course, my dog Rika, crazy girl. So this year in 6th grade, it's going to be a little bit different than it has been in the past. For one thing, I'm going to teach math and science to all of 6th grade, and Mr. Anderson is going to teach language arts and social studies to all of 6th grade. So you will have two teachers, sort of like in middle school, where you'll go back and forth between the two different classes. No problem. The other thing, at the end of last year in the spring, going to Zoom meetings and doing your assignments was optional. It was encouraged, but you didn't have to do it. This year, like, you got to do it. You got to show up at the Zoom meetings on time, ready to learn, and you got to turn in your assignments when you're supposed to. We're going to try our best to not have lots of extra homework. It's mostly just short assignments that you're going to do, but things will be graded, so that's an important thing to know. So almost all of our lessons are going to be done through Google Classroom. I made a video, there's a link down below where you can click if you're not sure how Google Classroom works. This is good for both students and parents, so the parents can log in with you and see how to find your assignments, see what to do, what's been turned in, things like that. Most of the communication will be either with email or through Class Dojo. So parents, make sure that you sign up for Class Dojo so that I can more easily communicate with you. So for math, the way it'll mostly work is I'll give a video math lesson. So the students will watch a video, and then the video will pause and there'll be some math questions to do. And then at the end of the video, I'll say, all right, now let's try lesson 2 in your book, page whatever. So then you'll do the problem set in the book. Then we'll have a Zoom call, and we'll be live together in class, and we'll go over the math problems, and if you need any help with the problems, I'll be there to help you. So this is called the flipped classroom. We're going to do the main lesson. You do that on your own in the video, and then we'll all come together, and that way I can help you. So parents, here's what you can do to best help your child be successful in school this year with distance learning. I do not expect you to teach them how to find the area of a triangle. If you want to, you can. But the actual teaching part, I'll do. What I need parents to do is help the kids be responsible and show up to class on time, show up to the Zoom meetings on time, check their Google Classroom to see if there's any missing assignments. One thing that's really helpful is if all the students have a regular place for them to do their schoolwork at home. It'd be really great, whether it's a desk somewhere or the kitchen table or their favorite corner they like to sit at. If they can have a nice quiet place to do their work, preferably the same place every time, so that way they can keep some of their papers there, they can keep their books there, and it's less likely for things to get lost. So that would be a really helpful thing. And the other thing you should know is that the pace is going to be faster than it was in the spring. So in the spring, we would do really like 2 math lessons a week, but we're going to pick it up this time. It's going to be a little bit more like regular school. So we'll do a math lesson, then we'll do a Zoom to go over it. Math lesson, Zoom to go over it. We'll also do some science, some mystery science and some other science things too. And then don't forget to check language arts so that you can see the assignments from Mr. Anderson. So you'll be Zooming both with me and with Mr. Anderson. We will send you a schedule so you know exactly what time you Zoom with him, what time you Zoom with me, and it'll be clear. And of course, you can always email me with questions. I will be available to help whenever I can. All right, so we're gonna have a really great year this year. You get to have 2 teachers. You're gonna have fun. We're gonna do lots of fun projects like making videos. You're gonna do reports where you build your own website. You're gonna do research. You're gonna do fun science. It'll be a really great time. And you'll get to visit with me and my dog Rika all the time online. All right, so we will see you on the first day of school. Bye.